MG400Q1US65H by USComponent.com. The MG400Q1US65H is a high-power IGBT module from Toshiba, designed for demanding industrial applications. Operating at 650V and 400A, it is ideal for motor drives, inverters, and power supply systems. This module features low conduction and switching losses, ensuring optimal energy efficiency and reliable performance. Its robust construction includes advanced thermal management, providing long-term durability and stability in harsh environments. The compact design facilitates easy installation and integration into various systems. Toshiba's commitment to quality and innovation makes the MG400Q1US65H a trusted choice for optimizing power conversion and enhancing the performance of high-power electronic systems. Ready to buy MG400Q1US65H? Please contact sales at USComponent.com.